Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to try on the new Snap AR lens from H&M. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So Snap AR try-on lenses is a collaborative effort with H&M and the London-based Institute of Digital Fashion. You can now use this lens on Snapchat to try on H&M Fashion. So let me show you how to try on these 3 H&M outfits which are available on Snapchat. So first you want to open up your Snapchat app. Next you want to tap on the Explore button here at the bottom. Now at the top here you want to search for H&M. Once that loads up, you'll see these 3 H&M Snap AR lenses which are available for you to try. So the first one here, it seems like an outfit which you can try on. Of course you need to go back for this and it'll show you what exactly it looks like on your body. Let's try the other one. The next one is a mask AR lens. So if you put your face in front of the lens, you'll be wearing a mask. And the third one is Airy Moves Camp Kit. So you have these sparkly, airy particles which basically follow your body around and wrap you around with. So those were the new Snap AR lens from H&M. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.